Halfbike is a new kind of transportation vehicle that's human-powered and aims to change the way we interact with the city. It's half the size of a regular bike. It's still got the tires, but no seat.
Everything is new in the Halfbike 3, even though it looks, it has the classical S shape and the design is the same as the previous one, but everything else is completely redesigned. Actually, the size got smaller, the bike got lighter also. Actually, we added more gears. We replaced completely the braking system, and actually the construction also has improvements. But the most important is that we made it more ergonomic. We tweaked the proportions, and now it's much more user-friendly and intuitive. I remember the first time that I made the first prototype with old bicycle parts. I had to make the first attempt to try it, and I asked my father to help me with the filming, because I wanted the first attempt to be filmed. And it was total disaster. That was the moment that I shared it with closest friends, and Michiel was one of them.
I really thought that there was more to it than it looked, and there was this very special feeling that you get from trying to ride this almost impossible thing, which was catchy and fun at the same time. So we knew that there is something, and the question was, were we able to actually improve it and make it like more of the good stuff and less of the disastrous one?
It's the experience, actually. The most important thing, the idea that you can control a very, very small vehicle with your own body, not just with the hands and the handlebar. This makes it completely different from the normal bike, and the control is absolutely different.
We are actually a small company. We are about 10 people now, and it all happens here in our workshop in Sofia. We make the bikes by hand, and everyone on the team is actually a very good friend and enthusiast, so it's the way we do it. We have ultra-marathoners that use it as a training tool and are really happy with it. But on the other hand, we have people that use it just to get around town and commute. So what we feel that all those people have in common are that they're somewhat young at heart, and they really like trying something new. They like the challenge and the exercise that the Halfbike gives them. So they range a lot in terms of age and what they do.
Actually, we can ship everywhere in the world, but the strongest markets are definitely the US and Western Europe. Germany, France, UK are strong markets. We try to work directly with clients, so our website is the only place that you can buy the Halfbike. We make the product here locally, and we want most of the price to be distributed for people who build the bike.
We don't offer retail, and we don't offer it for a few reasons. We really think that working with direct customers only allows us to first be in direct communication with them and provide much better support and just follow them on their Halfbike journey. And on the other hand, we can actually offer better terms since there are no middlemen involved. If the Halfbike is going to be sold in the local bike shop, it's going to cost probably twice more.
The biggest award is when you see a person enjoying what you did. So this award, yeah, it's something cool, it's something recognizable.
But every time we receive a great story from a customer, a real customer, we feel more excited just hearing the story and how he likes the Halfbike rather than just this design award. What happened is that before some of those stories came, we had no idea that the Halfbike could be used in such a way. If you asked us a few years ago, is it possible to ride like 200 kilometers on a Halfbike, I would have said no. But then there is this guy that does it on a regular basis and is very happy about it.
The bigger challenge now, it's building local social networks, offline social networks, because we already tested here in Sofia, and the energy that these meetings creates are really impressive. And sharing a new skill with more than two people, it's really exciting, and we think that the potential of the product is it's locked in the social part of the project.